I got the Nintendo Switch OLED. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. The reason why I got this for my birthday is because on Smith's Toy Superstores, I saw the Nintendo Switch OLED model for about nearly like £400. And my mom said yesterday, why not you can get the white Joy-Con version or something. So I'm gonna say yes. I like the Nintendo Switch OLED not requires a knife to unbox, unlike Apple products or something. Okay, so here is the Joy-Con number 1. Wow, it's white. Joy-Con number 2. And the main attraction of, wow. It's quite bigger than I expected, but where is the micro SD card slot? Oh, it's right here, I think. Listen to this, listen to this. Okay, that's enough, I think. Let's go to the accessories. The dock. Why is it so hard to, like, grab or something? Hope I don't drop it because it's a nice artwork. And here it is. Hope my Switch OLED dock won't scratch my new Switch. Here's the charging cable. And guys, I don't like this AC adapter because it's a giant brick, unlike the regular Nintendo Switch. It is the same size as this. Oh my god, the DNA fingerprints that I'm holding right now to play video games. And the game card slot is right here. HDMI. Here's the HDMI cable. And here is the same size. It's exactly the same as the regular Switch. Joy-Con strip number 1. And Joy-Con strip number 2. Look at the white spots, but I got the regular one. The regular ones doesn't have any white. Even the OLED has one. I'm gonna set it up now. And guys, here's the comparison to the regular model Nintendo Switch with colored Joy-Con. Here's the back. Here it is. Let's turn on my Switch OLED. Nintendo, don't copyright me, please. English, Europe, next. Yeah! Okay, I got the Nintendo Switch Online Plus Expansion Pack membership. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel with the bell icon just so you don't miss any brand new videos, how I upload. And follow my social medias. They will be listed in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.